Here we go. Okay, let's go out this way. I'm not going to fly high. KP index is a 4, so I'm hoping... Oh, God, come on, buzzard. I hate those big old birds. It better not be a hawk. He's going to come and attack me. He is. He's coming this way.
Map.
I don't like those big old buzzards, though. Let's go out this way and see what it does. I don't like those big old birds. Predators. They make me nervous. Don't want to go out too far, only because the KP index is pretty high. So let's go this way. Yeah, it must have been me landing, is trying to get away from that bird. I'm trying to be spinning really fast. See that little yellow? Now I can go forward and it's going to come to me. This thing's so small, doesn't take long to get out of line of sight. I still don't see it. And it should be, oh, there I see it. Expecting it much. Let's go out towards the lake a little bit more. I don't know if you can see the lake out that way. Probably not. This way. Yeah, I won't go too far away. This thing is so stable, though. I never thought I'd like a little bitty drone, but I love this little bitty drone. I have the Phantom 4 Pro Plus, and this flies better than that. Well, it's got OcuSync 2, my Phantom 4 Pro Plus. I don't know what it has. It's not OcuSync, it's not OcuSync 2. It's some other kind of weird. But it goes. I've flown it a mile away, no problem. Yeah, there I am right there. Let's get a little lower and see if I can come. It has no obstacle avoidance, so I could run right into myself, which is weird. I like it though. This thing, I don't know if you can hear this. Listen how quiet that is. Whoa, get away. It's really quiet. They're just jumping around. I'll fly it over there and land on the road. This thing's super fast in sport mode, though. I have it in normal now. Super fast. I'll pick a day when the KP index is really low, and I'll try and fly out at least a couple miles. Tried the zoom. Let me try the zoom. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. I guess I don't have it activated. You see it on the screen. This drone's pretty cool. I really like this little drone. I can take it everywhere, and I can fly it anywhere without. Like I was always nervous about flying the Phantom 4 anywhere because it was big and loud and everybody noticed. Here we go. I'm off the phone now. Boy, I don't like this little bitty screen. It's hard to see. to go that high. This little phone screen is really hard to see. I can't see any telemetry. I do have some glasses back there, I think. Pretty cool. I'm in Marble Falls. I'm over, and I've flown out here before. But I've been out here in the summer and getting eaten by mosquitoes. But now there's no mosquitoes. Wow, I'm out there pretty far already. Pretty cool. Where am I at? 1,300 square feet. Let me turn around. I don't want to. The KP index is a little high yet. See that little thing I can turn around? That's me, that little yellow, which is cool right there. So now I'll just fly home. Oh, that's right. I didn't go out there with a full battery either because I flew earlier. God, I guess I got to wear glasses. Let's see what kind of telemetry I have. That little drone is so small I can't even see it, even if it's close. Oh, now I see it. Little bitty dot, little bitty speck. I love this little drone. I can't believe how good this little drone is. I'm shooting 4K, so that should make a difference. I'm gonna zoom right over me. Oh, watch out, wires. I'm spinning around towards me. I've got some wires there, so I don't want to. I can feel the wind. Let me get on the other side of this thing. Go this way. Oop, wrong way. No obstacle avoidance, so I could hit the motorcycle accidentally with this thing. It's been a while since I've flown. I used to be able to orbit around here a little bit better. This way, or I'm not shooting in the sun. That's the wrong way. On the Spider today.